All right, we got some jams going. That's better. All right, before I loosen up the mounting bracket bolts, we got a problem here. Make sure your sliders spin. This one spins. It's a little stiff. Bottom one's not spinning at all. So I got some trusty vice grips on there. And what we need to do is heat up where that slide pin goes into the bracket. Right here. And then start working it. If you don't have oxyacetylene like me, you can use propane, MAP gas, torch. It just takes longer. This is how we get those out. Right? You want to try not to burn your boot. But it might happen. That's all right. You can get them for a couple dollars at the parts store usually. You want to get it hot where that slider bolt goes right through the caliper bracket. Start moving that vice grip. Get back to heating that in a second. All right, that was my parts guy dropping off some parts, so I have to stop the video for a second. We need to get it hotter. This one's in there good. A lot of times it just takes a little bit of heat. This one wants a lot of heat. It's gonna be all sorts of nasty when it comes out. All right, it's starting to move. Once it starts to budge, that's beautiful. It started to budge. That means it's gonna come out. Yep, loosened right up. Now we're going to give that boot some water. We don't want to ruin the boot. But when I take the mounting bracket off and the boot's bad, we can always replace it. You can get a set of boots for both calipers on the rear for like $2.50, something like that. Just keeping that boot cool. There we go. Sounds like a barbecue. That slider's got all kinds of rust in it. That's how you take care of that problem. Now we can get back to taking the bracket off, being careful because it's hot. Let's get that bottom one loosened. Definitely gonna need the pipe again. Breaker bar, use whatever you got. And we got a customer.